Hello, and welcome to the step-by-step guide to installing your brand new SimpliSafe home security system. On average, it takes less than 1 hour to fully install your system, meaning you will be protecting your family and home in no time. The first thing you need to do is install your base station. Now, the base station is the brains of this system, and it communicates with all elements once fully installed. And if you're using our professional monitoring, it will send an alarm signal to our security operators, who will then dispatch emergency services if needed. Pick somewhere central to house your base station. Simply pull out the plastic tab to activate the battery, then plug into a main socket.
Welcome to SimpliSafe.
You're now ready to begin installing the rest of your system. Once your base station is installed, you will then need to set up your keypad. Follow the on-screen instructions for setting your master PIN. Press down on the screen edges to activate the keypad, and you'll be able to connect it to your base station. The keypad has 3 modes: off, home, and away. Off, for when you don't want the system to be active.
Alarm off.
Home. This means everything, apart from the motion sensors, will be active.
Home.
So you won't accidentally trigger the alarm when you're up and about. And away.
Please exit now.
When you want to arm the system and fully protect your home when you're not in. Like all elements in the SimpliSafe system, it comes with a self-adhesive backing, which you can easily stick on any wall of the house. It can also be easily removed in case you want to move it to a different location. If you don't want to enter the code every time you leave and come home, why not try the key fob? It has 3 buttons for each of the modes, so you can activate and disarm as and when. When you're ready to install your sensors, you will need to register them to your base station. Doing so is quick and simple. All you will need is your keypad. On each sensor, simply press and hold the button. This will then appear on your keypad. The keypad will instruct you to remove the battery tab. Once connected, you can then select a name for that sensor and save it to your system. Once you've set up each sensor, you can install them all individually. All our sensors can be attached with the adhesive backings provided, or drilled and screwed into your wall if you'd prefer. Your motion sensors can detect movement within 10 meters. They look straight ahead with a 90 degrees field of view, and see a 45-degree downward angle too. For maximum room coverage, place the motion sensors on shelves or walls that are at least 2 meters off the ground. Avoid placing near heaters, air conditioning units, lamps, or electronics, as they may interfere with the system. We know intruders often have to force entry when attempting to break in. Our Glassbreak sensors are programmed to listen for the specific frequency of breaking glass. Place your Glassbreak sensor less than 6 meters away from the door or window you're trying to protect, with the test button facing up. The entry sensors are easy to fit. However, make sure you take the time to test the alignment and the positioning of these sensors before you fix into place. The entry sensors come in 2 parts. One part should be fixed to the moving window or door, the other part to the fixed position frame. These sensors have a magnetic connection and will flash once when the door or window opens and twice when it closes. For extra peace of mind, we've created a panic button. This can be placed in your bedroom or anywhere in the house where you feel you need that extra security. Simply attach to the wall where you want the sensor. In the event of an incident, hold and press for 2 seconds. This will either sound your alarm or alert the system operator if using a monitoring package. A red flash confirms the signal has been sent. The siren can be placed either inside the house or outside. You'll hear the alarm throughout your home, and it will alert your neighbors too, ultimately scaring away any intruders. The siren should be fixed to a wall, or if you're putting it outside, it can be stuck onto wood or plastic. Using your keypad menu, you can now adjust your siren's volume and settings. The smoke detectors must be attached properly to the ceiling. To do this, twist the mounting bracket from the detector by rotating it anti-clockwise. Screw the bracket into the ceiling and then push the detector back into the bracket, rotating it clockwise until it snaps into place. Press the test button to ensure it is fully functional. If you see a solid yellow light, the detector is not properly mounted. Our SimpliSafe water sensors can help prevent damage from leaks and floods, alerting you instantly in the event of water hitting the sensor. Simply place the sensors on the floor next to any areas that could potentially leak. Our freeze sensors can be placed next to your home's thermostat, or any exposed plumbing that could burst during freezing conditions. You can change the sensor's threshold levels using the keypad's menu. Our Simplicams are quick and easy to install and can be placed almost anywhere throughout the house. Simply slide the stand off the camera, insert the micro USB, replace the stand and plug the cord into a wall socket. Using your smartphone, download the SimpliSafe app to begin installation. Once connected, you can use the app to monitor the cameras installed in your house, anytime and anywhere. If you want the Simplicam to be outside, you can purchase one of our outdoor kits. It's a weatherproof case to keep out rain, dust and snow. Now that your base station, keypad, sensors, Simplicams and detectors are fully installed, your house is now ready to be protected. If you want that extra peace of mind, we offer a variety of packages from as little as $12.99 per month. Monitoring with SimpliSafe couldn't be simpler. If a sensor or detector sounds the alarm, our security partner will call you immediately. With your permission, they can access the live video feed from your Simplicam to visually verify an incident. Then, request for emergency services to be dispatched to your home on a high priority call-out if required. For more details, visit simplisafe.co.uk.